trading is not the only way to make money with crypto. I will let a crypto expert explain.
This is your Inspired Analyst, and I'm here to tell you 6 different ways to make money in crypto other than spot trading, as Amir said. The first way is called as crypto staking. In staking, you help secure the crypto network by staking your coins for a fixed amount of time. And when you do that, you earn the rewards in cryptocurrencies. Second way is play to earn crypto. So there are many games out there that can help you earn in cryptocurrencies when you play that game. Just make sure that it's a skill-based activity game and it does not involve luck or chance. The third most important way is earning by mining. So in mining, you basically help the network by solving difficult mathematical problems, and in turn, you get mining rewards. Fourth way is by airdrops and ICOs. Some of the startup companies offer their crypto tokens to their initial holders. They want to market their tokens, and this is why they offer it for free in the form of airdrops. Number 5 is the arbitrage. So when you can buy Bitcoin for a different price at one exchange and sell it for a higher price on a different exchange. This is how Sam Beckman got rich. And last is affiliate marketing. So in crypto affiliate marketing, you can sign up with that exchange and use that affiliate link to let other people sign up. In return, you get a commission. And if you want to make money by spot trading, we have a Discord group that you can join.